In today's video, we delve into a fascinating topic: the impact of energy carried by everyday objects. Before we dive deeper, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel, Buddhism Philosophy. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us reach more people and spread messages that can profoundly enrich their lives. Remember, every like and share contributes to a wider community of awareness and well-being. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on our gratitude and openness to the universe's blessings. Comment below to share how thankful you are to the divine and how receptive you are to the universe's infinite gifts. These positive affirmations amplify our intentions and attract the very blessings we seek into our lives. Let's consider the invisible forces that shape our everyday experiences, the energies that surround us constantly. Have you ever thought about the implications of the energies attached to objects we commonly use and often exchange with others? In our daily lives, we are cautious about sharing personal items like clothes or toothbrushes due to hygiene reasons. Similarly, we need to consider the spiritual hygiene associated with sharing or receiving certain objects. The energy embedded in these items is potent and pervasive, influencing aspects of our lives in ways we might not immediately perceive. From ancient times, cultures around the world have recognized and respected the concept of energy, known variously as ki in Chinese culture, prana in Indian tradition, and mana in various Polynesian cultures. This energy, inherently neutral, can become positively or negatively charged through interactions and environments. Objects, just like people, can absorb and emit this energy, impacting their surroundings and those who interact with them. The first object to be wary of is mirrors. Mirrors are not just reflective glass, but are also considered by many spiritual traditions as portals to other dimensions. They don't just show our reflections, they absorb and reflect the energy of their surroundings. A mirror in a home can accumulate a significant amount of energy over time, drawing in and radiating the essence of its environment. If a mirror comes from a troubled space or has been witness to negative events, it could potentially bring those adverse energies into your home. This is why acquiring mirrors secondhand can be more than just a decorative decision. It's a spiritual one too. Given the potential for mirrors to serve as conduits for both good and ill energies, it's crucial to handle them with care. If you ever bring a used mirror into your home, consider cleansing it energetically. Methods such as smudging with sage, incantations, or even just setting a positive intention over it can help clear out any lingering negativity. As we continue this discussion, I will introduce 4 more objects that are commonly exchanged, but should be approached with caution due to the energies they might carry. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions about the objects you allow into your personal space, thereby protecting and enhancing your spiritual well-being. Stay tuned as we explore these objects in detail, offering insights into their historical significance and practical tips on how to manage their energies. Each piece we discuss might seem ordinary, but the implications of their energies are anything but. Join us on this journey of discovery and empowerment, where we learn not only to recognize, but also to master the unseen energies that shape our world. Mirrors and salt, though seemingly ordinary, carry with them a wealth of history, superstition, and spiritual significance that transcends cultures and millennia. Let's dive deeper into these fascinating items and understand why they should be approached with respect and caution. Mirrors. The enigmatic nature of mirrors has captivated human imagination for centuries. In various cultures, mirrors are not merely reflective surfaces, but are revered as powerful tools. They can act as gateways to other dimensions and are often used in divination practices. The idea that mirrors can capture and reflect more than just physical appearances, extending to souls and spirits, is a recurring theme in folklore and mystical traditions. When you bring a pre-owned mirror into your home, you're not just bringing a decorative object. You might also be introducing residual energies and emotional imprints from its previous environments. These lingering energies can disrupt the harmony and balance of your own space. The energy imbued in a used mirror could stem from anywhere it has been, potentially carrying with it a history of emotions, from joy and peace to sorrow and discord. Given their ability to hold on to these energies, it is advisable to choose new mirrors for your home. If you do opt for a second-hand mirror, performing a thorough energetic cleansing is crucial. This can be done through smudging with sage, using sound vibrations from bells or singing bowls, or even through focused intentions and prayers, depending on your cultural or personal beliefs. Salt. Moving on to another potent object, salt. This humble compound is renowned not just for its culinary benefits, but also for its extensive use in spiritual practices. Salt has been a symbol of purification and protection in numerous traditions. It is believed to have the unique ability to absorb and neutralize negative energies. When salt is handled by others, it absorbs some of their energies. Thus, using salt that has been touched by someone else could inadvertently lead you to absorb their emotions and energies, such as their worries or negativity. This is why it's important to be mindful of where your salt comes from. In many spiritual practices, salt is used in rituals to create protective barriers or to cleanse spaces and objects from negative influences. If you must use salt that has been previously handled, consider cleansing it as well. This might involve placing it under moonlight, burying it briefly in the earth, or ritually washing it with water charged with positive intentions. Such practices help in resetting the energetic signature of the salt, making it safe for use in your own rituals and daily life. By understanding the profound spiritual implications of these everyday objects, we can make more informed decisions about the items we choose to surround ourselves with. This not only ensures our environments are supportive and positive, but also enhances our own spiritual well-being. Whether it's a mirror reflecting our physical form or salt seasoning our meals, each has a deeper spiritual essence that, when respected, can significantly benefit our lives. Mattresses. Expanding on the discussion of everyday objects with significant spiritual implications, mattresses are a prime example of items that can deeply influence our energetic and spiritual well-being. Each night, we spend several hours in close contact with our mattress, making it a very personal item. Over time, a mattress absorbs the energies, emotions, and even the dreams of those who sleep on it. This absorption can include everything from joy and tranquility to stress and sadness. When you sleep on a used mattress, particularly one with a history unknown to you, you may be subjecting yourself to these residual energies. This can manifest in various ways, such as disturbed sleep, unusual dreams, or a general feeling of discomfort. The impact can be similar to what many experience in hotels, where the high turnover of guests leaves a melange of energies, often resulting in less restful sleep. If acquiring a new mattress isn't possible, consider cleansing practices such as using salt, placing crystals like amethyst or black tourmaline, which are known for their protective and purifying properties, or even airing out the mattress under the sun, which is believed to cleanse negative energies. Wallets and purses. Moving on to wallets and purses, these items are not just functional, but also carry symbolic weight. They hold our money, which is energy in a tangible form, and over time, they absorb the financial energies and experiences of their owners. A used wallet or purse may contain the remnants of the previous owner's financial triumphs or struggles. This makes it crucial to be cautious when accepting such items from others. If a used wallet or purse comes into your possession, it's advisable to cleanse it spiritually. This could involve using incense, placing it in a bowl of salt, or even using specific prayers or affirmations aimed at clearing old energies and inviting prosperity and abundance. Locks. Lastly, locks are often overlooked in discussions about spiritually charged objects, yet they carry profound symbolic and energetic implications. In many traditions, locks are not just for physical security, but are also used in rituals to bind or release energy. Accepting a lock from someone can be risky if you are unaware of its history or the intentions of the previous owner. There might be a deeper, perhaps even manipulative intention behind the transfer of a lock. If you come into possession of a used lock, especially under uncertain circumstances, it is wise to either refuse it or perform significant cleansing rituals. These might include using holy water, anointing the lock with oils, or reciting prayers or affirmations to neutralize any potentially harmful intentions embedded within it. In conclusion, while these everyday objects, mattresses, wallets, purses, and locks, may seem innocuous, they play a significant role in our energetic and spiritual health. Being mindful of their history and taking steps to cleanse and bless them can ensure they serve us well without bringing unwanted energies into our lives. This practice not only protects our spiritual well-being, but also enhances our overall sense of peace and security. In today's discussion, we delve into the mystical and often overlooked aspects of everyday objects used in magical rituals and spiritual practices, focusing particularly on the significance of locks. These seemingly mundane objects hold profound symbolic power in various cultural and spiritual contexts, and understanding their implications is crucial for maintaining a harmonious spiritual environment. The symbolic power of locks in rituals. Locks have been utilized in spiritual rituals across cultures to seal fates, lock opportunities, or bind energies. Imagine a scenario where you accept a lock that was previously used in a ritual intended to hinder someone's success. By introducing this lock into your personal space, you may unknowingly invite the same restrictive energies into your life, affecting your own opportunities and well-being. It's essential to recognize that every time we use a lock, it should embody our personal intentions and energies, remaining untainted by external influences. This principle underscores the need to be vigilant about the origins and histories of the locks we incorporate into our lives, ensuring they align with our energy and intentions. Locks in love rituals and their impact. Locks are also popular in love rituals, where couples lock them on bridges and throw away the keys to symbolize eternal love. This romantic gesture, however, can have unintended consequences if the locks used have been previously manipulated with negative intentions. Such locks could potentially introduce discord and challenges into relationships, proving that even symbols of love can carry adverse energies if not chosen wisely. Accepting a lock from another person can sometimes mean inadvertently accepting their intentions and energies. Not all intentions are positive, and these energies can subtly influence your life's trajectory. This makes it imperative to approach such exchanges with discernment and caution. Reflecting on the broader spectrum of objects like mirrors and salt, which we often bring into our homes without much thought, reveals their significant impact on our spiritual well-being. Mirrors, for instance, do not just reflect our physical appearance, but can also reflect and store energies from their surroundings. Similarly, salt, which is commonly used in purification rituals due to its energy-absorbing properties, can carry the energetic imprints of those who have previously handled it. These examples illustrate the butterfly effect in spiritual practices, how small actions, such as accepting a used object, can lead to substantial changes in our energetic environment. This interconnectedness of actions and outcomes teaches us the importance of maintaining a clean and energetically healthy environment. It's not about fostering paranoia or obsession over spiritual purity, but rather about cultivating awareness and selectivity in what we choose to surround ourselves with. By being mindful of the energy embedded in the objects we bring into our personal spaces, we have the power to shape an environment of peace and harmony. This mindfulness allows us to protect our spiritual health and enhance our quality of life, ensuring that our surroundings support our spiritual growth and well-being. As we conclude this reflection on the spiritual significance of everyday objects, remember that the power to protect and manage our energy lies within us. We thank you for engaging with our content and hope it has provided you with valuable insights into managing your spiritual environment. We encourage you to continue nurturing your spiritual energy and to share this knowledge with others. By doing so, we can foster a more conscious and spiritually aware community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Your support helps spread positive energy and awareness. May you be blessed with positive energy and spiritual protection. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we can create a more mindful and spiritually attuned world.